How to hard reset Samsung A24. Volume down, okay guys, and press at 8 or 10 times and release volume down button and press volume up button. That's right, until it shows the recovery. Okay, come to factory reset. That's right. In Samsung Galaxy, all Samsung Galaxy phones should be connected to the computer version 15 and 16.